Warning, props are hot. Gear up, 25%, 50%, 25%, 25%, 50%, 50, 0. $25, 50%. Gear up. Time remaining 50%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 50%. Gear down.
Okay, we'll land on this one.
0. $25, 50%. Gear up. Percent. 50%. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 4 minutes. $50, 50%. Zero. 25%. 0.
Which got a lot of weight there that wants to stay going one direction.
Too high. Oh, there you go.
Gear up.
That was better. Not much better, but.
Speed limit disengaged.
What you does.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's still underpowered, I feel.
50%. 50%. 25, 0. 25%, 0. 25, 0. Gear up. 50%. Engage. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. Gear up. 50%.
But I didn't bring my A10 today because I was gonna bring it tomorrow.
G limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes. G limit disengaged. 50%. G limit disengaged.
Not really needed, I don't think.
0. Gear up. 50%. Limit disengaged. Altitude.
Good.
Altitude.
My airplane dips. Wow.
Altitude. 0. 50%. Altitude. Engage.
Hush, lady.
Altitude. 50. Time remaining 2 minutes. 25%.
I'm off the bus.
Okay.
0. 20. 0.
Whoa!
25%. 50%. Gear up.
That was.
Time remaining 50%.
Radios
8,
rolling.
7, 0.
I got like 5 radios and they're all like 10 years old.
Yeah, well, let me tell you, when you first get this thing, you're going to want to throw it against the wall.
Reverse full.
Mechanical gyros.
Gosh, no.
But after that, I just take my radio over to helicopter to Klaus's,
Uh-huh.
buy dinner, and he does all the programming.